everything just went
welcome
blank.
back to another video. It's your boy Eddie, and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Right now, we is actually about to work on the Supra. We're actually about to lift it up, take out the wheels. I don't know if it says it on the title of the video, but if it does, you guys know we're gonna lower the rear a tad bit more. Yeah, so the rear sits probably like maybe an inch high, and I want to drop that just to like half, maybe almost fender the tires. We're gonna do that. Basically, we could say this is preparation for WEKFEST. WEKFEST is next Sunday, so it is a week from now. On Monday, tomorrow, I gotta take it to the shop to see if we can get these reflectors replaced, because I got the blue ones also for the rear, so it can just have like a color match flow. And then I gotta change the passenger seat back to the Street Hunter bucket seat as well. I don't necessarily have to do this today, but it's Sunday, it's my day off, and I'd rather just do it today. It's a beautiful morning too, it's not that hot. And we're gonna change over to the Go 3. I'm gonna probably do a POV for you guys so you guys can see me just work on the car and everything. See if you guys like that type of content, see how that style looks. Appreciate y'all for the love on the last couple videos. Truly appreciate it. And to all the new subscribers, I appreciate y'all for following the journey on the Supra build and just enjoying the content in general. I truly appreciate it, for real. Almost at 1,800 subscribers, which is crazy, bro. I remember back when I was like, damn, I wish I had 1,000 subscribers, this and this, and now like we're almost at 2K. Absolutely insane, bro. And I appreciate y'all for like following the journey. I don't know if I hit record. If I did, oops. It looks like I might have hit it record. Which is cool, is I can use this to actually check. Watch. Connecting, and it is recorded, see? But it shows me on this little screen that I'm recording. Pretty dope, huh? Yep, let's get to this. Save the battery on this. Cool. Alright, it should be good right here. Okay, cool. And I already loose the lug nuts already, so all we gotta do is just lift it, take that wheel out, and that's that. All right. Turn that off for a quick second, because that shit is loud. Oh, good thing I have Loctite, bro. I'm gonna make sure I get these locked in properly, because they is not locked in properly. So as you can see, we're pretty much almost maxed out on the rear right here. So what I think I'm gonna do is just max them out. See how that looks. See how it leaves. I think it's gonna leave it just perfect, if I'm being honest. So let's loosen this up. I have the tools over here. Oh, my legs is hurting. There you go. What's up?
I got you something you're gonna like.
Is it the burrito?
No, I'm gonna
Oh, what'd you get me?
churro.
Mm-hmm.
The strawberry or whatever.
Concha?
And the Oreo concha.
That's a concha?
And they're all fresh, look.
Oh yeah, damn, they are hot.
I'm
Wow.
gonna make breakfast.
Thank you very much.
You want it?
The coffee? Yeah, let's see. Alright, so we're all the way at the top, maxed out. So now we lift this one up. There you go. Alright. Alright. So we finally finished this side. I was tired. I had to stop recording for a little bit. I was getting frustrated. But we got it. She should be straight. We should be fine. I don't know if it needs to settle more or if I need to go lower. But bro, that was basically almost maxed out, if I'm being honest, on both sides. Alright, so I finished up lowering the rear and all that, and bro, I'm telling you, it definitely looks lower now. Like, there's barely, like, literally maybe a finger could fit. Yeah, just a finger, but bro, it's pretty low already. And they're pretty much almost maxed out, if I'm being honest. Like, they're pretty much maxed out. Like, my finger right here, too. Damn, bro. I feel like maybe I just need to go a little bit lower on this side. I don't know. Maybe just a tad bit, because my finger does just slide in. On the other side, it didn't do that. So we might just lift it up a little bit more to the left. Let's see. We're using the Polaris, guys, as you guys can see. She wanted to ride. Just fast, huh? This just feels scary, huh? That's like only 40 miles per hour, but
Like that.
that turbo. How it just lifts. More?
One more. Yeah. Dang. Sorry.
Well, that was the POV in the Polaris, guys. She wanted to ride and decide why not show you guys it too. I've done a video on this, not like this with the POV, but decided to do one, and this thing is fun to drive. How'd it feel?
Not as fun as my dirt bike.
Yeah, you guys was grabbing on for dear life.
I thought we were gonna fly up.
No, just fast. We gotta lift this side up again, just one more time to lower it just enough to match the other side. It's just literally a little bit, bro, like a little, but makes a difference. All right, so I gave myself a little break, had some breakfast and all that. Shout out to Boo Thing for the breakfast and the coffee. But as you guys saw, we're gonna lift up this side. Just again, we're gonna lift it up one more time and adjust it very slightly, bro. It's very slightly. I'm being very picky just to match the other side. Just very slightly. We're gonna lower it again, and then we should be done. And then I was gonna replace the other seat, you know, for WEKFEST to have both street hunter seats in. But What do you guys think? Should I just leave one in and then the stock one? Because the stock one ain't bad, honestly. It has like blue stitching on it, Alcantara, you know. This is the stock seat for the A91 Supras. So, I don't know. Maybe I should just leave one in and then leave one in like this, you know. One stock and one bucket. Let me know in the comments. Should I replace the stock one and just put the other street hunter in? Or just leave it like this? Because it ain't bad like this either, but we could rock both of them for the street hunter. It don't matter. And look, the seat actually matches the steering wheel pretty damn well. But yeah, gonna lift it up again, and I think the homie George is gonna pull up with the M340i just to come and kick it, you know, and work on cars. But yeah, bro, very chill Sunday today. Just literally working on the car, doing little preps for WEKFEST, and then yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm filming this right now, the day of the upload, and bro, as you guys can see, it is much lower. I've yet to pull it out. I'm gonna pull it out though, just because, and I'm afraid that I might scrape now because I'm lower. But if you guys know, we thought we fixed the issue with the bolt under the exhaust, but it fell out again, and I don't have a bolt to fit it through. So yeah, we're gonna have to wait till I take it to the body shop or a House of Power when they install that one ventilator pipe. But I want to pull it out because obviously there's no space in the garage to lift it and dampen the suspension a little bit and make it harder. I'm gonna just pull out the car a little bit, lift it, and I think I'll have space just to put my hand in to dampen it a little bit more. Alright, so it's not much of a difference, but it made a little bit of a difference. Like, I was sitting lower than I was before for sure. But I think this side, bro, like, I'm like money. It may not look like a crazy difference, but from before, it was a bigger difference. Now it just sits a tad bit lower now, and I'm like almost maxed out. Look at my front fitment too. Just look at that. Like money as well. Look good, man. On Wednesday it's gonna go to the body shop to get this properly aligned, make sure the bumper and everything looks good. Then on Friday it's gonna get detailed and paint correction so it is right for WEKFEST. But bro, she is looking good, bro. Just look at my Supra. Damn. Sometimes I forget, bro, I drive a Supra. I gotta always remind myself, bro, I really drive one of these, and it really is my dream car. But yeah, man, let me know what you guys think on the fitment. Fitment sitting good or what? Let me know. Just look at that, bro. That is pretty good fitment, bro. Could have gotten the extreme lows, but I just didn't do that. So I just have the regular standard coilovers, BC Racing, and that is pretty solid fitment, bro. We're almost pretty much maxed out. Yeah, this is probably gonna be another short vlog, you know. Just wanted to do some little minor adjustments. WEKFEST preparations, if you want to say that. Super excited for it. WEKFEST is this Sunday. First ever WEKFEST that I'm ever in, and with the Supra, which is pretty dope, pretty exciting. Can't wait to get the car looking right Friday. It's gonna look, because we're gonna do all that detailing and paint correction, so the paint's gonna shine extra right for under the lights in the convention center. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you guys are new, be part of the family, and stay up to date with the content. Still more videos to come this week. Like I said, they're gonna probably pick this up. They're gonna pick it up on Wednesday. So they're gonna pick it up on Wednesday to get the bumper aligned. You guys saw the hood just a little bit on this side to get it properly aligned. Then we're gonna get the reflectors replaced. I have the blue ones, and then we might replace the red ones too with the blue ones, because might as well. So hopefully the body shop can do that for me, and we'll have it all color matched and everything like that. So this has been